The Shure SM7B legendary vocal microphone, dynamic microphone. You've seen this microphone all over podcast and broadcasting, even in the studio to record vocals. Think of Michael Jackson's Thriller, for example. You can also use it, of course, to record guitar or bass. But in this video, we're just going to look at the box there. So go ahead and take a look at that, and we'll go ahead and unbox it. All right, pop it open, see what's included here with this mic. I got here a sticker, warranty information, addendum, limited warranty. Wow. Our user agreed. I'll throw that up to the camera so you can just hit pause if you want. Let's see what's in here. Of course, the microphone. Let's pop this out. Windscreen. This actually comes with two different windscreens here. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box here. All right, that's everything in the box. Let me get rid of this. This is your back plate. Or back here if you want to put that over there. All right, man. So here is the microphone, one of the included windscreens, the yoke, and of course, here's the rear there. Variable options back here, and you can always place your bada bing plate over that if you want. Let me get this one windscreen off, and you can put the other windscreen on there. This one here is meant for when you want to be really, really close to the microphone. All right. So that's basically what you get here. Also get what looks like to be a cable tie there. And let's see in this bag here. Here's some Velcro strips. This you can put in down here so it grips this windscreen here. If you're afraid it's going to fall off, you probably wouldn't need it, but that's what those are for. And of course, an adapter here for the yoke. All right. So that's everything that's included here with your SM7B. In the next video, we'll go ahead and test out this legendary microphone.